And now let's put in the thermocoupler over here. All right. Get it go backwards. Okay, with the threads pushing it up nice and snug so it's nice and straight. And then going in. Now these threads can be kind of difficult to get them going. All right, as you see, that's why you also want the copper wire, the pipe here, to go as straight in as possible. All right, you don't want any pressure left or right, and that's also what makes it difficult. Got it threaded though, okay. It's hand tight now. Okay, now let's get the, we have to make the adjustment here. Okay, nice and snug. Okay, a little more. Where do I have it? I have to make adjustment. All right, that was hand tight. You see I'm holding the wrench here so I can feel it. All right, I'm not going to over tighten. All right, that's good and snug right there. All right, I'm going to come back here, I have a little leverage. It should do it. Good and snug right there. Don't over tighten. All right, it may have been close to a half of a turn or a quarter. All right, but just good and snug. Do not over tighten. Now, let's get this slit. You got to turn on the gas now. All right, over here, there's a valve that you got to turn. Okay. Get your pilot to the setting. Turn this here to this pilot. You press this down for about 15 seconds, 10 seconds, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1009, 1010. That should be good enough. All right, now that's to make sure gas is going to flow. Now I'm going to have to light the pilot. Okay. I will be pressing down on this knob while I light it. Okay, my finger's on this. The pilot is lit. Now you want it to heat up the thermocoupler before you turn it on. Okay. It's got a nice blue flame. That's looking good. Now, you want to wait about 30 seconds or so to make sure the thermocoupler is getting hot so that it opens up the connection, the valve. All right. And that should be good enough. So if I let go of the button and the pilot begins to go out, then I need to push down quickly on it. So I'm going to take my finger off now, slowly release it. It's on. Now I'm going to turn this knob to pilot. I'm going to slowly turn this to, it should light somewhere in here. There it goes. Wham. It's lit. We have fire in the hole. All right. Now, it was going out. If I have another problem, it's going to go out. And it looks like we've got another problem. So we'll have to determine what's caused this to happen. Okay, maybe I need to replace the thermocoupler. The thermocoupler was replaced, but maybe it was just a bad one. Okay, this is Ken. I'm Ken, Home Improvement Tips. All right, now you've learned how to light the hot water heater, how to clean a pilot, how to assemble it, take apart, put it back together, and stay tuned for part 3 because I'm going to have to find out what the deal is. It may be the thermocoupler I bought, may be just a faulty thermocoupler. Never know. So it may be something else. So stay tuned. Bye for now. And thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, Save for a future reference. Tell a friend. It's a win-win-win. As always, never give up because there's always a way. Always.